little chipmunk.
Oh, she's so cute.
Oh, she's so cute. A little chipmunk.
Oh.
We've got a chipmunk. Look at this little braid. What is that?
Beach day.
Beach day. Happy birthday.
So I think we
Okay, you guys, we're on our way to the beach. Woohoo! Huntington, here we come.
Woo, yeah. Yeah.
We made it. We're here. It's beautiful. Look at you, Isaiah. Oh, you haven't even begun to get buried yet, dude. Oh my goodness, he's like having so much fun. Woo! Setting up an umbrella.
So we are at the beach, and here is the fam having a blast in the ocean. I don't want to get this wet. I don't want to get this wet. Try it again.
This is the life right here. Disneyland, beach, sunshine, friends. This is where it's at. Oh my goodness, I'm in heaven. I can't believe we're here.
This I'm gonna smell you like this.
Isaiah, where's your body?
Robert, here. Carry my hair. Just leave my nose, my eyes, and my. Wanna go get back in?
Yeah, I want to get back in.
Isaiah, where did you get back in? First, film me getting out. No.
I'm in the ocean. Woo! It's beautiful here. I really wish you guys were here. Seriously, I'm not just doing like some silly postcard. Wish you were here. I really, we really.